this is one of those properties that I would gladly recommend for you ASAP. Yes, so this is 3-bedroom apartment right here in Lekki Phase 1. So you can see currently it's raining. So when you look around, you will see that there is absolutely no flood. So this is a flood-free zone area in Lekki Phase 1. So right here we have 3-bedroom apartment and 2 units of 2-bedroom apartment. So we have 3-bedroom apartment here and 2-bedroom apartment, right? So this is Lekki Phase 1. So if you are in the market, if you are in the diaspora, and if you are looking for investment opportunity for passive income, for your rentals, for your short let, this is the perfect investment opportunity for you. The location, top notch. So this place is one of the highly recommended place for you when it comes to apartments. I usually don't do apartment, but I hurriedly came here because this apartment is selling fast. So 2 units was sold about last week, right? So we still have few units left here. So if you're a smart investor, all you need to do right now is to start calling my number. So my name is Amrachi, your number one go-to-go real estate consultant right here in the city of Lekki, Lagos. Yes. So if you are just bumping into my page, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated whenever I post new video. Now come with me, let's tour this property. Step into a space designed for your comfort and convenience, a functional elevator which gives you effortless access to your floor. Occasionally, you can choose to use the stairways to your floor as well. Whichever option you want, they are both available, the elevator and the stairways for you. Welcome to this stunning 3-bedroom apartment in Lekki Phase 1. You're welcomed by a very spacious living room, the kind of space made for hosting family, entertaining guests, or even simple relaxing in comfort. I love the open concept kitchen that flows to the living room seamlessly. This is a perfect modern kitchen for social feel. Yes. Also, this is the balcony for the kitchen, which leads you to the boys' quarter. Yes. So this is the emergency exit and this is the boys' quarter. This is the kitchen pantry for your food storage. One interesting thing about this property is that each room has a balcony for your relaxation. So each room has a kind of sit out for you to feel the fresh air of the environment, right? So this house too has a constant power supply, clean water. You know, the facility is top notch. So this is absolutely one of the properties that are highly recommended for your investment, for your passive income. You can buy multiple. We still have units left here. This is 10 flats, 10 units of 3-bedroom apartment right here in Lekki Phase 1. this moment. This property is in the market for 450 million naira for the 3-bedroom apartment right here. So also we have 2-bedroom apartment here for 350 million naira. So if you're in the market and this property interests you, for people in diaspora, I highly recommend this property for you. Also, we have 2-bedroom here. If 3-bedroom is too much, we can also choose the 2-bedroom apartment right here for you. So please remember to stay tuned, stay glued on my channel, watch this video, and always subscribe on my channel. So this property is right here in Lekki Phase 1. So it's going for 450 million naira. So that's it for today. A beautiful apartment. And if you're in the market, please do not hesitate to dial my number and call me as soon as possible. Thank you. Until you see me on your screen again. Bye-bye.